young learners. Today we have a list of 10 exciting things starting with the letter E. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. An elephant. Elephants can be found in Africa and Asia. They're some of the largest animals on our planet, and they like to live together in groups like this family. Number 2. Eggs. This is an egg from a chicken. Lots of people have eggs for breakfast. You can have them fried like that. You can have them poached. You can have them scrambled. And they're delicious with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt on it. Yummy. Number 3. Earth. Earth is the planet that we all live on. There are 8 billion people on planet Earth, and Earth is the third planet in our solar system. It takes 365 days to go around the Sun, which is what we call 1 year. Number 4. Eyes. Eyes allow us to see. Animals have eyes too, like this horse. Number 5. Ears. Ears allow us to hear sound. You can see the 2 big ears on top of this animal. Number 6. An eagle. An eagle is a very large bird that soars and swoops along the sky. Number 7. Echo. An echo is a sound which bounces off a wall. If you shout in a cave, echo, it's when the sound of a noise bounces back at you. Number 8. Exercise. Very important exercise. You can run, you can do weightlifting, you can play tennis, you can play basketball, there's lots of things. Electricity. Everything that we see in this video is powered by electricity. And in this apartment block, you can see all the people switching on and off lights, switching on televisions. Number 10. Email. Email isn't like an electronic letter that someone types on a computer and they can send it around the world in seconds. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye.